Hello guys, it's of course Alexandrus back here with another video. I hope that you are having an amazing day guys, and today we have a short little video about Kucoin and about the rebranding event, which is I think quite interesting. So there is the rebrand event. Kucoin's futures trading platform called Kumex has upgraded its brand with new name and logo known as Kucoin Futures. And new domain is futures.kucoin.com. You can find it by going onto main side of Kucoin and then to the futures right here, either light ones or pro ones, and then you will be redirected here. So that's kind of cool, I think. So you might ask, what is it and what are the advantages, I guess. So since going online in July 2019, Kucoin Futures has supported Bitcoin perpetual and quarterly contracts as well as USDT margined BTC Ethereum perpetual contracts. With its rapid development, the highest trading volume of Kucoin Futures has exceeded USD $200 million. So backed by the Kucoin team, it's also Kucoin Futures is the one of the two platforms that supports level 3 data push. The other one is Coinbase, if you are interested in that, making each order secure and transparent with industry-leading technology. Also, Kucoin Futures provides a light version, which is very friendly to new traders, which you can see here. I think it's quite easy to understand. So that's how it works, and that's how it looks. Okay, here we have another site. Okay. One more thing, the newly launched Ethereum perpetual contract, you have up to 100x leverage and maintaining margin rate as low as only 0.5%. Also, if you are interested in more information about Kucoin Futures, then you can go to land.kucoin.com /brand-upgrade-program. Of course, the link will be in the description. And here you have some information about the brand upgrade. It's easier to make profit, it's easier to trade, especially for the new users. So I think it's kind of cool. It gives you some nice experience if you are especially new to trading and if you want to start. Then I think it's a platform for you, definitely. Kucoin is of course large exchange, trusted, legitimate, regulated, everything legal. So I think it's worth taking a look at. Okay. Besides of that, they have Medium, where you can find some other informations about it. So if you are interested in going in, then I think it's worth checking out the Medium as well. I know that a lot of you guys uses it. I personally don't, but it doesn't matter. You don't need to have an account. You can just read the article and get familiar with all the things that Kucoin wants to tell you, I guess. So that's how it works, that's how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did so, then smash the like button. Remember about subscribing to my channel to stay up to date with all the content I release, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.